morning, dear students. Today's class it will be regarding the treatment of goodwill, how to do that when it is about admission in partnership firm. So here have a look at illustration number 18. Already I have told you how to treat the goodwill in my previous class. Now here I'll show you the application when the goodwill is bought up by the new partner, how we are going to put it in accounts. So have a look. Dinesh and Ramesh are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They have decided to admit Vasu as a new partner. Okay, so Dinesh and Ramesh are old partners and Vasu is the new partner. The balance sheet is given. Sundry creditors, general reserve is there. So reserve you should very carefully see in question. If in old balance sheet, if you see find general reserve, share this 80,000 in 3:5 ratio to the old partners Dinesh and Ramesh, which will show in our partners capital account towards the credit side. Sundry creditors, it will go in new balance sheet liabilities. Bank overdraft also will go there. This partners capital account will show it as balance BYD in partners capital account towards the credit side. Then cash at bank, we have whatever amount the new partner Vasu is bringing, we'll add here. Whatever goodwill is coming, we'll add here along with this 40,000. Bills receivable will be written on the asset side. Debtors, stock and fixed assets will be written on the asset side. Have a look at the adjustments. We have fixed assets should be valued at 3,31,000. In question we have 2,80,000. So how much increment is there? Increase 51,000. Will show fixed assets 51,000 in revaluation account towards the credit side, where we show generally the increase in assets amount. Then we have provision of 5% on sundry debtors is to be made. Sundry debtors, you'll see what is the amount of debtors. We are given 60,000. You'll calculate 5% on that. You will get 3,000, which will be posted on the debit side of revaluation account. Then we have value of stock to be valued at 1,12,000. In the question, if you see the value of stock, we have 1,20,000. It means the value has decreased. It's a depreciation by 8,000. Depreciation we write towards the debit side of revaluation account. There is nothing else to be posted in revaluation. You will total. Credit is more. Debit, it is a deficit of 40,000. This will be the profit which will be given to the old partners in their profit sharing ratio. Now have a look. The foremost adjustment which I want to bring it to your notice is Vasu brings 75,000. Once we'll show it in partners capital account by bank account, and in Vasu's column we'll put that 75,000. Second, he is bringing 15,000 as goodwill. As I told earlier, 15,000 goodwill, it will be given to the old partners Dinesh and Ramesh in the ratio of 3:2. That is 15,000 into 3/5 into 2/5 you will do. 5 ones are 5, 5 3,000s are 15,000. So it is 9,000 value which will be going to Dinesh. And remaining, how much are we left out of 15,000? 6,000 will be given to Ramesh. Okay, Dinesh will take 9,000, Ramesh will take 6,000. Where will show it? Goodwill account, 9,000 in Dinesh, Ramesh 6,000. Okay, second time where you are going to show in the new balance sheet, cash at bank is there. Okay, cash at bank in old balance sheet, how much are we having? 40,000. To this 40,000, how much capital is the new partner bringing? 75,000, and goodwill will be added. So when you will add this 40,000 plus 75,000 plus 15,000 goodwill, you will get 1,30,000, which you have to show in the new balance sheet. Just have a look. Cash at bank 1,30,000. So as I said earlier, you will have to prepare a bank account also, or cash account. This is the opening balance. Opening balance of 40,000, where did we get it from? Old balance sheet, cash at bank balance. Okay. Then whatever amount is coming, we'll put on the debit side, and whatever amount has to go to the new balance sheet, we'll show it on the credit side. Vasu's capital amount, how much did he bring? 75,000. To goodwill account, how much did he bring? 15,000. Total how much? 1,30,000. Means these all amounts are in the organization. Total how much do we have, which is to be carried down to the new balance sheet? See, 1,30,000. Here there is a printing error. They did not print one more 0. 1,30,000. Okay, that is how your cash at bank will be done. You will be adding goodwill here in that amount. So that is how the goodwill will be treated, dear students. Rest all sum, I am sure you all know about it. Now going to the next illustration, illustration number 18. Have a look. M and N are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. They have admitted O. Okay, then O is contributing 20,000 as capital. Now let us see the balance sheet, how it will be prepared. Here also we have general reserve. This will be going to the old partners. M and N in the ratio of 5:3. That is 16,000 into 5 by 8. 5:3 means 5 plus 3, 5 by 8. 8 ones are 8, 2,000s are 16,000. 5 into 2,000, so 10,000. M is getting how much part of reserve? 10,000. How much we have? 16,000. Left is 6,000, which will be taken by N. Okay, you can think like this, or otherwise you can again take 16,000 into the share of N. N's share is how much? 3 by 8. Okay, 3 by 8. 8 2,000s are 16,000. 2,000 into 3,000 is how much? 6,000. Whichever way you do, the answer is going to be same. Okay, that will show as general reserve in partners capital account. We'll give it to the old partners. Okay, have a look at the adjustments. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 12,000. Okay, if you are told directly that the new partner bought this much goodwill, or if you are given a statement like this, goodwill of the firm is valued at 12,000, you will treat it as goodwill. Don't get confused with the statement what is given in the textbook. Okay, so this 12,000 again it will be taken up by the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. 12,000 into 5 by 8. Okay, 8 ones are 8, 40, 8 1500s are is 12,000. Multiply it with 5, you will get 0,052. to 7,500 is taken by 1, and the other one will be taking 4,500 share of goodwill. Where will show it? Goodwill 7,500 will be taken by M, and N will take 4,500. Second time we'll show it in the new balance sheet, the cash amount which we have. Okay, how much cash do we already have? In the old balance sheet you will see in the question it will be given. We are given the cash. Okay, we are seeing this illustration. 19,500 cash is already there. How much amount the new partner is bringing? 20,000 will be added to this 19,500, and also goodwill is how much? 12,000 will be added. Okay, so 19,500 plus this 20,000 plus 12,000, you'll get an amount of 51,500. Okay, here in this question what they have done is, because it is said that goodwill of the firm, in case if the partner is bringing goodwill, you'll show it in the cash account. Otherwise you'll show like this separately. Goodwill account 12,000. Okay, this is a little difference which you all have to remember. In case if it is clearly given that goodwill is being bought by the new partner, you will add it in the cash itself. Otherwise, if it is said that goodwill of the firm is so and so much, then you will show in goodwill account. If you even, okay, that is it. Alright, then land and building were to be valued at 35,000. It means how much is the land and building? 25,000. Appreciation will put on the credit side once in revaluation account, and second time we will take 25,000. How much value has increased? 10,000 we'll add and we'll show 35,000 in the outer column. Plant and machinery is valued at 25,000, whereas as per the old balance sheet value is 30,000. It means reduction. Revaluation you will show on the debit side. Then provision for doubtful debts is excess by 400. Okay, so here have a look. When it means what? Decrease or increase? We have to decrease the value of the liability. When the liability value is decreasing, we put it on the credit side. Okay, in case if it is not recorded, we'll show it on the debit side of revaluation. But here, because it is shown excess, we have to reduce our liability. It was found that provision which is created, that is more by 400. It means the value of liability should be decreased. Decreased by how much? 400. Decrease in the value of liability will put on the credit side of revaluation account. Okay, then what do we have? A liability of 1000 is included in sundry creditors was not likely to arise. Okay, it means creditors value is there, but we are not going to take it. So again the value of liability is decrease in the value of liability we put on the credit side of revaluation account. That is why creditors is written here. Now you will total the difference amount is 6400. Profit again will be given to M&N. If you see capital account, we have the opening balance. This amount we have taken from the old balance sheet. Cash, the amount which the new partner got. Revaluation account, the profits. General reserve, when it is given in the old balance sheet, we'll divide it here. Goodwill, whatever the new partner or the firm's goodwill is, it will be taken by the old partners. Okay, new balance sheet, we have written creditors, we have to reduce it by 1000. So our creditors actual value is 26,000. Land and building, again you will show actual value is 25,000. Add increase in land and building 10,000, show 35,000. Plant and machinery also you will show the depreciated value. Stock, there is no change, so we will copy as it is from the previous balance sheet. Okay, 15,000 will take. Then debtors. Okay, here in the question we have a debtors 20,000 less provision. How much we are deducting? But in the adjustment, if you see, it is said that we have to reduce this provision by 400. Means actual provision, how much we are supposed to create for debtors? 1100. So that 1100 amount will be deducting from this debtors. Then investments, which is given here, we'll copy as it is. Cash plus the capital whichever the new partner is bringing, and the goodwill again will show separately because goodwill of the firm is given in the question, and when you total both sides they will tally. So that is about the treatment of goodwill, dear students.